Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by shutting everything down, battle, net and Overwatch included. Once done, open Device Manager or the GPU updater and install the latest WHQL driver. This fixes many display hangs. Make sure to kill overlays next. Overlay hooks commonly cause black screens. You will also turn off Xbox Game Bar and any in-game overlay services. These steps clear competing hooks so the game can create its display surface correctly. Do them now before moving to file-level fixes. Next, you repair the installation. Open Battle. Net, select Overwatch 2, then click Options, right arrow scan and repair. Let it finish. Once done, close the launcher and delete the battle. Net cache folder at %program data %backslash blizzard entertainment backslash battle. Net backslash cache to force fresh metadata. Then, make sure you assign Overwatch 2 to your dedicated GPU in the NVIDIA or AMD control panel. This prevents integrated GPU conflicts. These steps resolve corrupt files and GPU selection issues that commonly produce a black screen at startup. Finally, you change how the game starts. Add launch options windowed knob order to force a visible window if full screen still blacks out. Then run both battle. Net and Overwatch 2 as administrator, and, if needed, set compatibility to Windows 8 to avoid legacy API mismatches. If problems continue, perform a clean reinstall of Battle. Net and Overwatch 2 after uninstalling and deleting remaining folders. Troubleshooting tip. If a black screen persists, test with an alternate monitor or HDMI cable to rule out hardware/display handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.